Hello guys, welcome back to the Lumley Trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis, technical analysis over on AMD. So to get straight into it, on the day we're currently up 4%, but what are the key levels that I'm paying attention to? On the left we have a 6-month, on the right we have a 1-year chart, and again we're just using standard deviation channels. If you've been on the channel before, obviously you'll probably understand these very much by now, because I only actually realized today we've been using this strategy for over 2 years. And if you want to see that, you can go and check over the Instagram. It would be in the description, because I actually just posted that because it just came up in the memories. But overall, what are kind of key support and resistances going forward? So obviously we're currently sitting at $85 as of right now. I'd be playing this a bit more bullish, and the reason for that is we broke above this first deviation, came back to test as a support, got that bit of a bounce, kind of retested, but kind of consolidating really within this area. So right now I wouldn't be trading, but overall I'm more bullish on it. So really I'm just waiting for it to kind of probably break this high, and then it will kind of confirm that upward move. But really, again, it's just about being patient. If I'm looking at the deviations, there's no trade opportunity for me until we move about another 6 points to around $91, $92. Then obviously the first time we come into this level is just looking to play it as a pullback opportunity. Playing that pullback, moving stop to break even, locking in some profits. If we can catch an overall reversal, great, home run trade. If not, we're taking a bit of profits, it comes back to break even and we will stop out. But then what we can do is kind of wait for that breakthrough, come back to test it as a support, and if it can hold that $92 support, then looking to play direction to $95 as that target. Again, always the same thing, pullback, then break, then direction. So then looking for a 103 target. If we can break that, I have a final target of around 110. So definitely still some upside on AMD, but really once we come to that 92, don't forget we are becoming very overbought on the longer term channels. So really I tend to close out any longs coming into this level and look to just play kind of the short bias plays once we come into the overbought areas. Because again, the probability is more likely that we'll pull back, then start to kind of continue through these levels. Now, what are key support? So we do have support at $80.50 and also $79.50, but considering these levels have been hit quite a lot recently, it's not the first time we're going to be coming into them. Really not something I'm looking to trade or touch. I'm kind of just be ignoring this level now for the time being. The only time I'd start paying attention to this level once again is if we hit $92. That can definitely be used as a good target, but otherwise not really looking to trade and move through that level. If we break that though, then we have supports going out down to $69 to around $64. Again, this is statistical mean. Like we said, if you've been watching the channel before, you already know, but this is basically considered fair value. So if we're trading off technical signals, I don't want to be trading within this area at all, and instead we'll be either looking to trade the upper levels or waiting for a break to a further downside, looking to trade it a bit more long bias coming into the $37.50, $48.60 and $46. Obviously we do have more supports, but considering overall we're more bullish right now, it's more focus on these upper levels, but these are just in case we get for some reason a big sudden move to the downside, we are prepared. Anyway, that is the breakdown on AMD. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.